Welcome to Excel tutorial for data analysis. So if you are interested in learning data analysis, trust me, this simple and easy tutorial is suited for you. So in this particular video, what I'm going to be looking at, we're looking at how to actually expand each of the columns that we have in a data set. Looking at what you have on your screen at the moment, you discover that some of the entries or some of the values we have in each of the column are not fitted to the column. And as such, you cannot see everything that is there. So we can actually expand each of the columns that you have here so that you can have a proper view of everything that we have there. Of course, if you look at column B, which is the order date that we have here, you discover that the values are not even coming up at all. Why? That's because the values we have or the entries we have inside each of the cells are just way too large that it could not be displayed. So what do we do? Now, the very first thing you need to do is locate the particular column that you actually want to expand, say for column B, right? Then the column separating column B and C, which is that particular line. Take your cursor there. Once it changes to this cross sign, all you have to do is double click. Then you are left clicking twice. So once that is done, then you have this. But then you have a lot of rows, just like we have here. We have from, or rather, if you have a lot of column, just like we have here, from column A to column R. Now it becomes too much to start doing one after the other. So there's actually a way you can do this all at once. And all you have to do is select your entire data set. How do you select your entire data set? You can use Control A, and that does that for you. Or come to the top left corner just between your row 1 and column A, select that particular cell that you have there. Once that is done, it select the entire data set. What you have to do is what you did initially by locating the line separating two columns. And for this instance, I'll be using the one separating column A and column B. And once I take my cursor there, then left click twice, then automatically I can see all the columns that I have conveniently. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next tutorial. And if you want to learn data analysis, especially with Excel, feel free to reach out because I have a full package for you to learn from. Bye.